Hello everyone, my name is Teacher Mia. Today I'm going to tell you a new story. The title of the story is Ding Dong, Ding Dong, The Doorbell Rang. It is written and illustrated by Pat Hutchins. Let's see how the story goes. I can't wait. I've made some cookies for tea, said Ma. Good, said Victoria and Sam. We are starving. We are so hungry. Share them between yourselves, said Ma. I have made plenty, so they have to share the cookies. So that's 6 each, said Sam and Victoria. Sam gets 6 cookies. Victoria gets 6 cookies. They look as good as Grandma's, said Victoria. They smell as good as Grandma's, said Sam. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma as the doorbell rang. Ding dong, ding dong. Who will that be at the door? Let's see. Oh, it was Tom and Hannah. Yes, from the next door. Come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. So they have to share the cookies. That's 3 each. They smell as good as your grandma's, said Tom. And look as good, said Hannah. The mommy said, no one makes cookies like grandma's. Ding dong, ding dong. Eh? The doorbell rang again. Who will that be this time? Oh, it was Peter and his little brother. Yes, come in, say Ma. You can share the cookies. You see, they all say, come on in, we share the cookies. Let's see what will happen. Oh, that's 2 each. So, each of them will get 2 cookies. They look as good as your grandma's, said Peter. And smell as good. So yummy, so delicious. Mommy said, no one makes cookies like Grandma. Ding dong, ding dong. The doorbell rang again. Who will that be this time? Let's see. Oh, it was Joy and Simon and their 4 cousins. So, there are totally 6 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 people there. Come in, say Ma, you can share the cookies. Yay! They all come in and share the cookies. So good. A group of friends sharing cookies. That's 1 each. Now, because there are a lot of children, so each of them can only get 1 cookie. Yes, they smell as good as your grandma's, said Joy. And look as good, said Simon. Mommy said, no one makes cookies like Grandma. Ding dong. Ding dong! Oops! The doorbell rang again. Let's see what happened. Ding dong! Ding dong! And rang again. Everyone is looking at the door. Okay. Oh dear, said Ma as the children stared at the cookies and their plates. They only have 1 cookie now. If there are more people, more children coming to their house, they can't get 1 whole biscuit anymore. Mommy said, perhaps you better eat them before we open the door. Well, we will wait, said Sam. Wow, Sam is willing to share. Let's see who's here. Who is here? It was Grandma with an enormous tray of biscuits. How nice to have so many friends to share with, said Grandma. It is a good thing I made a lot. You see, a lot of cookies here. And all the children are super happy. And no one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma as the doorbell rang. Ding dong, ding dong. And we don't know who is that. Yeah, so that's the end of the story. It is always good to share. As children, you can see, yes, there are so many happy faces. They are so happy to share the delicious, yummy cookie. So make sure you share. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.